Are you a student in any Nigerian school and you wish to make money for yourself doing business even as a student? Then this video is for you. Don't skip it, because at the end of this video you would have learned at least 5 profitable business ideas you can do in school and make money for yourself. The reason why I'm making this video is because I have gotten a lot of questions from those on my WhatsApp list. They ask me, what can a student do to make money for themselves? And today I'm going to be bringing it live and direct, and all the business ideas I'm going to be sharing with you, they are not rocket science, and it means that it has been done before. It means you can do it as well. So all you need to do is to actually listen to me and pay attention. I'm going to list 5 for you. They're not actually businesses that need big startup capital or that need brand recognition and the rest of them. It's something you can do on a very low key and you're making your money in school. First one on my list is something that one of my students is doing. Yes, a student of mine who attended my mini importation course. At the end, he took it upon himself that this is what he wants to do, and what he does is to import phone accessories. Yes, so you can actually sell phone accessories in school. Like, you just have to get the best, the beautiful phone accessories in school with those small money you're able to save during holidays, and people are buying it from you. Just make sure you got it at a very cheap rate, and you can actually sell it and make money. It is very lucrative business idea you can do in school. Apart from phone accessories, you can buy the iPod, the earpiece, the charger. People really want to pay for these things if you are able to get it, because the school is a very large place. People actually need such things and they can afford it. They will pay for it. So imagine you're able to learn mini importation and you are now importing those accessories to sell to your fellow student. It is something very huge that you can do for yourself, and you make money for yourself in school. So moving on to number 2 is very simple. You can teach your fellow students. If you feel you understand more than them and you think you really want to help them, you can make them pay little amount of money for your time, and you organize tutorial for them and they pay you. I've seen a lot of people who do this tutorial stuff. They even explain these lessons more than the lecturers did, and you will be blown away. How come? Now, when you pay this kind of people and you get this value they give to you, these lessons, they break it down to your knowledge, you will feel proud. You will not even feel your money. So if you feel you know much or you understand better, you can actually charge your fellow student little money. You know, students are much. Let's assume you collect 100 naira from every student, and at the end of the day you're able to actually gather 100 students. Do you know how much that is? For a student, is a very good money. So moving on to the third one, but before then, how are you seeing this video? Is it something you are finding helpful? If yes, give this video a thumbs up so that other people can see it and engage with it, and also hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel before. So moving on to the third one is something the guys and the ladies have their own parts to play. Now, for the ladies, you can actually plait hair in school and get paid. You plait your fellow ladies and get paid. Like, making of hair is very lucrative in the school there. Yes, because the ladies want to look good, you know that. And then for the guys, you can go to school with clipper. I know a guy who goes to school with clipper. This guy is very good with cutting of hair. People come to him, and the sweet thing about his own style is that he will charge you small so that you will come back next time. So people come. Let's assume people are cutting to 200 naira. He will remove 50 naira and cut for you 150 and cut for you 100 naira so that next time you will come. So it's actually a very lucrative business for the guys out there. If you're on holiday, you can take out your time and go to a barbing salon, learn these skills, practice it, come back with your clipper in school and make money off it. You can't be in school with all the troubles around. You always depend on mom and dad to actually give you this and that. No. So the fourth one is graphic design. Let's assume you are able to learn graphic design, or you're already a graphic designer and you are in school. You cannot be broke in school as a graphic designer, because there are a lot of events. You just have to go to the right people who are organizing these events to design flyers for them, and you are paid. My graphic designer collects a lot of money from me to design a single flyer that I use for classes. So this is something very lucrative. If you are looking out to learn graphic, you can actually go all out and learn. It all starts from learning. Everything you must have in life, you must go through the learning curve. So if you are out there and you're looking out that graphic design is something you can do, just pay for it, learn through, and you can even go to the description of this video to pay for one and get started immediately. So the fifth and the last one is the reselling of already used clothes. We know it as a okrika here, and then you can actually go to the place where they sell these clothes. If you go to that places where they sell it, you can get as cheap as 200 very fine shirts, very fine ladies tops. You can get them as cheap as 200, 300, 400, and you are selling. Do you know the way you can actually make it look better? You can actually get those clothes and do the laundry, like wash it by yourself. By the time you're done washing it, you take out your time and press them. Let these clothes be ironed. Let them look very appealing in the eye. Packaging will help you sell more. If you package it and take it to your fellow students, they will appreciate it. By the time they are giving you money, imagine the ones you bought 300 naira, you tell them 1,000, they will rush it and they will pay for it. So these are the 5 business ideas I know a student can do, and there is even more I'll be bringing to you. So make sure you hit the subscribe bell button and do not forget to turn on the notification bell icon. More businesses are coming on your way, and that's all we do on this channel. So please go ahead and like this video, because by the time you like it and drop a comment, it will be able to reach other people and then they interact with it and learn. Thank you for watching. I pray you pick one and put them into practice. I wish you well. Just like I said to my students, I'll be saying to you, chase knowledge first.